Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how can you create a Twitter or X account from scratch. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end for all these steps and let's jump right into it. Of course, the process is easier on the app, so download the X app on your device and go ahead and open it. From here you should find this screen. It is better to continue with Google or Apple ID if you have it. If not, you can just simply tap on create account, the second option right here. And from here you get to choose the language. You can skip in the top left corner or simply tap on show more and choose your language. I'm going to continue with English and tap on next in the bottom right corner. And then in the screen you get to pick a name, so you can use any name you want right here. I'm going to use a random one and right under it the email. Let's go ahead and get you an email. I'm going to use a temporary one just for the example of this video. So as you can see, I'm going to put it here and then right under it I'm going to get to pick a birthday. You can pick your real birthday or you can just put a random one. It is up to you right here. Once you're done, again tap on next. And now from here again tap on next in the bottom right corner and then simply tap on sign up. Wait for it to load up and you need to authenticate to prove you're a human. And after that you get a verification code sent to your email. Go get it from your email, of course. And I received it right here, as you can see, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and type it in this text box dedicated for the verification code. And then again tap on next in the bottom right. Now from here choose a strong password, make sure to remember it. And then tap on next in the bottom right. And from here let's get you a profile picture. Tap on this blue box and choose one of these options and go ahead and pick a picture. You can choose what part of it you want to show and tap on apply in the top right corner. Give permission for X to access your pictures and then tap on next in the bottom right corner to continue from this step. Finally, here you get to choose your username and then tap on next in the bottom right corner again. Last step here, tap on continue. Wait for a couple of seconds. Here you get to choose at least one account to follow and then tap on next in the bottom right corner. And here you go, guys. You have created a X or Twitter account successfully and you can start using Twitter now. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.